Hello everybody, I am Dr. Priyanka Puri. I am an implantologist and a cosmetic and aesthetic specialist. I have been practicing for past 12 years now, and today we are here to discuss some common topics which everybody faces in dental. First, I would like to talk about root canal. Root canal is a simple procedure. Basically, in a root canal procedure, we make the tooth non-vital. And in the procedure, basically there are two to three parts of the procedure. The first part involves the opening of the tooth, the second part involves cleaning of the tooth nerves, and the third part involves filling it with an artificial material which is biocompatible with the tooth structure, and then again building the tooth structure and placing a cap over it for strengthening it. And with now latest technologies, a root canal can be done in a single sitting also. And when we do a single sitting, the important part of a single sitting is that your bone should not have any abscess or any pus discharge there. If at all it's there, then we would probably not want to finish it in the single sitting. And apart from that, the patient fears like how long the tooth will be there, how long the treatment would last for me, and all those things. If you take good care of your root canal and if you maintain it well, the tooth is going to last you lifelong. There is no issue that a patient should be facing with the root canal. And then you are on your antibiotics and painkiller while you're going for a root canal procedures. And there are some symptoms which are very specific for a root canal, like pain, recurrent pain in mouth, while eating, while not eating, and while sleeping having shooting pain. Lot of pain while eating hot food or hard food. Probably that side will be not functional for the patient. So all these symptoms also guide to a large extent that a patient is requiring or a tooth is requiring a root canal treatment. So a simple cavity is very different from a root canal with the symptoms itself, because a simple cavity would not have all these symptoms aligned with it, and a root canal would be having these symptoms aligned with it. So I would request all the people that you should be aware of your dental hygiene, and if at all you see that your teeth or in your mouth you can see some cavities starting up, you should always get the preventive treatment done. You should not wait for the decay to convert it into a root canal, because then the tooth will be non-vital and will not help you with the preventive treatment. And all of you, if you have any doubts about any of the procedures, you can connect to me on Librate, you can talk to me on my mobile numbers, or you can visit me at my centers.